S-Class radiates polish and a dash of physicality outwardly, while the inside is loaded with current extravagance that consolidates warm decorations and cutting-edge controls. As the leader of the lineup, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class not just needs to convey the greater part of the tastefulness and class that makes it a benchmark for extravagance, yet in addition it needs to set the tone for the general plan. Dialect and styling, subtle elements that stream down the lineup. Try not to distress, since it achieves the two objectives great. We rate it a 9 for styling, giving it high stamps for its magnificent outside, rich inside, and famous general nearness. The S-Class lineup normally incorporates vehicles, cars, convertibles, and limousines, yet, for the beginning of 2018, the car is the main body style. The car is the reason for the lineup, however, and the 2018 model gets a couple of changes that keep a similar essential outline that propelled for the 2014 model year. The front and back guards are refreshed, similar to the headlights and taillights. The headlights are wide-bar smart LEDs with three unmistakable temples that characterize the internal edges. All models presently get the grille that was utilized on V12 models. It has three twin louvers and a glimdark complete. The AMG or Maybach logo is included for those models. The S63 has a flywing style bring-down sash with substantial air admissions in advance, and at the back it includes a diffuser embed between quad debilitate outlets. The general look mixes the formal appearance of past S-Class models with tastefulness, physicality, and innovation that asserts the innovation inside. This age of S-Class is attractive, featured by the swoopy and shapely roofline that decreases into a smooth tail. The energetic impact is still more visit golfer than shoreline volleyballer. In any case, when utilized on littler autos like the C-Class, the physicality is more clear. The Lodge includes a perfect, streaming, level design that is overwhelmed by a couple of 12.3-inch screens joined under one bit of glass. The lines of the dashboard stream into the entryways and proceed around the driver and front traveler. The look is a mix of tech and formal style, with a computerized check group and a huge infotainment screen counterbalanced by wood or carbon fiber, aluminum, sewed cowhide, and engineered suede. With such a large number of capacities to control, Mercedes forgoes singular catches and gives the focal command dial and contact controls on the controlling wheel. It's all cutting edge, utilitarian, and outwardly uncluttered.